I'm Melanie Toasted Blonde, and today we're going to frost our hair old school with a cap. Check it out. Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. So glad you're here. As you can see, I need to do something with my hair. So we're going to frost it old school with the cap. It's not that old cap that sits on your head and looks like a penis on your head. No, that's from back in the early 90s. I actually like 80s, I think. I lived through that, but I'm not going to do that today. These are the new caps, and we're gonna do it with some bleach, some L'Oreal Quick Bleach and Salon Care 30 Developer, and bleach these roots and get rid of this look, this like, I don't know what it is, look. I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. I'm 46 years old. I put up videos, hopefully 2 a week, lately like less than 1, but I love making videos. I love YouTube and DIY hair care, makeup, lots of Lime Life by Alcone stuff. I don't know why I'm obsessed. And please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Now let's get to the frosting cap. Oh, and I hate long videos, so I try to make them fast. I try to get through it and skip all the nonsense. So let's do it. Okay, so when you open your crochet, your packet, it comes with your little crochet hook. Remember these? All right, and a cap. All right, so first I'm going to get and my cap. Oh, it's lovely. Oh my God, I'm loving it. Okay. Now these caps are actually 2 layers. So the first one has a perforated top, which you'll stick your hook through, but then it goes through the middle plastic. This is really awesome because it keeps the bleach from seeping in and like bleaching your roots. And what I really love about this is when you're done with the bleach, if it's orange, you can just tone the roots, which keeps you from the process of when you're normally highlighting your hair, your toner always bleaches your roots and you end up with orange roots. At least that's what happens to me. So I'm hoping this ridiculous cap will help. I'm just going to clip it back in the back for now while I'm struggling to get this hat cap on right so it stays there. And then I put my beautiful cap. So you have to push this. Okay. Now, what do you think? I can't hear anything. You can't hear when you're in the top. Now you gotta get it as tight to your head as possible. That's what this thing's for, to tie it down. Because you wanna get as close to your scalp as possible. And you gotta tie this frickin' thing tight. Ugh. You gotta pull it down and back, see? So we get this as tight as we can. Okay, this is so ridiculous. Look what I look like. Okay, it hurts like hell. The person has to stab you in the head and yank your hair out, and it really hurts. The sides didn't hurt. The top, it still hurts. So here it is. Now we're going to apply the Quick Blue dye with 30 Developer, and I'm gonna try and stick primarily to the roots. And then but I don't know how that's gonna work, so we'll see. Okay, so it's been like 10 minutes and my ends are like getting fried. But like this is a little bit more golden than I want, but I think I'm gonna have to go for it now and then just tone it and deal with whatever comes because I don't want to lose this at the ends. Okay, so I only waited like 20 minutes, not even, probably 15 minutes, and I got so excited because it was like blonde looking, and it really looked blonde, but now it's like really orange. Like seriously orange. I'm just gonna tone it. I have Wella T18, and people swear by it, and I've got violet drops I can add to it, and that will get rid of the orange, the violet drops, and turn it back brown, because look at the ends, there's some parts of it that are really pretty, and those will go nice. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're going to do. The ends might turn blue or purple. Okay, I decided to wait the full 30 minutes because I don't know, I'm a glutton for punishment. So I'm going to rinse it and show you what it looks like. All right, it's time to unveil it. What do you think? It is so freaking orange. Oh my God. Ah, it's orange. Orange. Okay, so here's the final look. There it is. There are caramel colored highlights. Not quite the blonde I was going for and not quite enough. That was my error, but the cap technique looks so nice. Look, I mean, it's just pretty. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Definitely check out the cap technique if you're into DIY foils and you're not that good at it like me, because a cap was so super easy. Love you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.